Square roots. Square root is basically the inverse operation of squares. For any real number a and b, if a squared is equal to b, then a is the square root of b. Let's take a look at the squares. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is 81, and 10 squared is 100. What's the square root of 36? If a squared is equal to b, then a is the square root of b. 36 is 6 times 6, or 6 squared. So the square root of 36 is 6. Find the square root of 50. The square root of 50 is not on our list of squares, so we have to take the two multiples that make up 50. There are many multiples that make up 50, but let's take 25 and 2. So the square root of 25 multiplied times the square root of 2. The square root of 25 is 5. So we bring down the 5 in place of square root of 25, and then we bring down the square root of 2. Our answer is 5 square root 2. Example 3. Find the square root of 72. Since the square root of 72 is not a perfect square, we have to take the multiples that make up 72. We can either use 9 and 8 or 36 and 2. 9 and 36 are both perfect squares, so we have to take the highest one. 36 is the highest square. So we have to multiply square root of 36 times the square root of 2. Now let's simplify. The square root of 36 is 6. And now bring down the square root 2. So our answer is 6 square root 2. Example 4. Find the square root of 350. The 350 is not a perfect square, so we have to use its multiples. Let's use the square root of 25 times the square root of 14. The square root of 25 is 5. And there's no square root for 14, so we bring down the 14. Our answer is 5 square root 14.